Reston is not a town or a city, we're a community. We were only the third community in the nation designated by the National Wildlife Federation as a wildlife habitat community. You may have heard that we have an insect apocalypse. We have a major decline in insect species. And so what we want to do is try and restore some of the food for them, which are the basis of the food chain. The English ivy here is an invasive plant that will actually grow up and pull down the trees. Fannie Mae employees are going to be helping us restore the biodiversity to this site.
We're risking a little bit of poison ivy to help clean up the rogue species in the trees in the area. Fortunately, they painted them in white, so we know what the invasive plants are.
It's good to see the team work. I mean, I see everyone, they are all my colleagues, we all work in the same team. So, but to see in another way, like working together.
It's a little bit different than what we are doing every day. It's very exciting and helping the community.
Out here it's easy to run across places where there's poison ivy growing next to English ivy, which is growing next to some native species we want to keep. So trying to sort that out and kind of like, with our industry, trying to sort out the risks while actually being able to deliver value to our customers.
I just think this is a great opportunity and I just love to give back. It's just a great day to serve.
We're extremely grateful for the help from the Fannie Mae employees.